clause followed by conjunction so that, and now he could pass the test. With regards to this tense, this is going to be a future tense and this is your result clause. Because he studied hard, that led him to pass the test. Second example, she is sending the package early. Now this is the first purpose clause followed by so that conjunction. It will arrive in time for her sister's birthday. So with regards to this tense, it is a future tense, and again this is your result clause. The question 3 is Damien. Example 3 is Damien is practicing the guitar so that he can play for the dance. So Damien is practicing the guitar is a continuous present continuous tense, and this is your purpose clause followed by a conjunction so that he can play for the dance. Again this is going to be future with regards to this one, the purpose clause, and this is the result clause. इसको अगर हम बोलने में यूँ भी बोल सकते हैं कि Damien is practicing the guitar so he can play for the dance. It makes sense so long as it's spoken English, but in the writing you have to mention the word that this is going to be the right conjunction. The next example is I am learning German so that